Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Chalk Palette, and today I'm going to be using our February Club Couture transfer to create a fun project. When using a brand new transfer, you want to make sure that you fuzz it to make it a little bit less sticky. Go ahead and center your project onto your surface, apply your chalk paste. I like to do a lot and then I scrape off the extra after I have covered my whole thing, just so it doesn't dry out. Peel it up slowly, and then it's going to take about 2 minutes to dry. So I'm going to fuzz my other piece, apply it, chalk paste, the whole shebang, peel, and perfect. I'm going to embellish my design using a Chalkable chip. So I'm going to make a hole in my palette board using a large screw, and then I'm going to add a screw that doesn't have the point on the end in the back, and I can hang my Chalkable chip from it. So I'm going to just punch holes in all of my Chalkable chips using a crocodile. You can just get it from a local craft store. Then I just want to apply some seasonal designs to each Chalkable chip. These cute mini designs are from our mini club transfers. We have them for each season. And I just think it'd be fun to make a whole little set of them that can last the year, and I can keep this sign up all year long. I can then switch out the Chalkable chips depending on which month we're in. So one for obviously Valentine's, a springtime cute little bunny. This would be for the 4th of July, midsummer, and then a spiderweb, obviously my favorite holiday, Halloween. And then we'll do one for Christmas with our cute little Christmas tree here. I'm using minimal colors just because I don't use a ton of colors in my decor, and so I'm just reflecting that with these designs as well so it fits in, but you could obviously use as many colors as you would like when creating this. And the last one would just be sun please, so something a little bit more standard for the in-between times. And then I can just simply switch them out. Look how cute this is, guys. Have a sign up all year round and easily update your decor. Love it!